Hi guys, it's Teacher A. How are you? And today we're going to do question number 2 from page 21. Now you know which book we're using. Let's take a look. This is the book we're using. We are using the GAT General Aptitude English version of the test, which is written by Dr. Koshir and his team, Mr. Rafat Hassanim and Mr. Hamza. Thank you for the amazing book. So let's continue now. Okay. We're doing question number 2. Compare the value of A and the value of B. Now, how would you do this? Do you think that the value, now let's look at our answers. Is the value of A greater? Are the two values equal? Is the value of B greater? Or is the given information not sufficient to get the answer? What do you think? Okay, let's check. Now, how would you do this problem? How would you do this problem? Now, I have some students that say, teacher, we're going to multiply. Okay, now, please don't multiply because there's not enough time. Remember, you only have 26 minutes. If you start multiplying, now if you multiply this side, this is quite easy. You can do it pretty fast. But this side here, you might do it so fast that you might make a mistake. Please don't multiply and try my way. Now let's see what way is that. First of all, in order to do my way, you have to know your times tables. So if you do not know your times tables, you put a pause on my video. Oh, and by the way, please subscribe. Please subscribe down below. Thanks. So if you do not remember your times tables, guys, please pause the video and go look at all your multiplication tables and try to review them because the Kudurat, the GAT test, demands that you know your times tables very, very well. Okay? So now, going back to this problem. This is problem number 2, page 21. Okay? This is page 21. All right. How would you do this? Look at the numbers. Are they related? What does related mean? Could they be in the same family? Numbers have families, teacher? I didn't know that. Yes, they do. Why? If they have the same number, if you can take the same number and multiply it with another number to get the result, then they are related. For example, what do I mean by that? Look at 81 and look at 27. Does this remind you of something? Of a times table that you know very well? Of a number that you know very well? Let's see. How do you usually get 81? That's right. You multiply 9 multiplied by 9. That will give you 81. And how do you usually get 27? You say 9 multiplied by 3. 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Like I said before, if you do not remember your times tables, you have to pause the video, go review and come back. Okay, now that we have the numbers like this, guess what we can do? I want you to imagine an imaginary line here, and I want you to look at what we have done. Now, you can cross out this 9 and you can cross out this 9. So now the new 81 is 9 and the new 27 is 3. Do you see that? Because whatever you do on one side, you do on the other. Cross it out. Now look at 8 and look at 7. Now let's look at the numbers on the other side. Does 7 have a cousin next door? A 7? Yeah, I see the 14 here. It's so obvious that when you multiply, because when you multiply 7 by 1, you're going to get 7. And if you multiply 7 by 2, you're going to get 14. So guess what you're going to do? You're going to cross out the 7 on this side, cross out the 7 on this one. This new 7 will become a 1. And the new 14 will become a 2. Oh my God, look how nice that is. Now last but not least, look at 8 and 12. Can you think of a number which you can multiply to get 8 and 12? That's right, it's 4. Because 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 3 is, that's right, 12. So now, whatever you do on one side, you cross out the 4 here, and you cross out the 4 here. So the new 8 becomes a 2, and the new 12 becomes a 3. So guess what happens here? Look at this. You're still multiplying. You're still multiplying. Don't forget. How much is 9 times 9 multiplied by 2? How much is that? 18. Multiplied by 1 is 18. So on this side, for the value of A, we have 18. Okay? And on this side, let's take a look. The new 27 is 3 multiplied by 2. Okay? How much is 3? 3 multiplied by 2. This will give you 6. Multiplied by 3 will give you 18. So guess what? 18 on the here and 18 on here, on this side. So you have 18 on the right, 18 on the left. That means the value of A is equal or the same to the value of B. So which answer is it? Is value A greater? No. Are the two values the same? Are they equal? Yes. So the answer is C. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below. In the next video, I'm going to do problem number 3 on page 21. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day. Masalama. Thank you. Bye-bye.